I just turned this area where our dinette used to be into this custom RV office space. Stick around, show you how I did it. Over the past several months, my wife and I have been renovating our Class A RV. Early in the process, we removed the dinette with the intention of turning it into an office space. Once the paint was on, the flooring was down, and the couch was in, I was left with about a 3 by 7 foot area to work with. I started with a set of drawers that we found at Ikea. We bought one that was already dark gray, but it didn't quite match, so I gave the visible surfaces a few coats of paint. I assembled the unit, then mounted it into place with screws so that it can't move. For the desktop, I used 1 by 4 poplar wood to frame out the shape I wanted. I cut the boards to length and then used a pocket hole jig and wood glue to put it all together. I used the frame itself as a template and traced it out on some thin plywood, which I then cut out and nailed into place to create the desk surface. I hit the exposed edges with a router to round them off and give it a more finished look. I also added some quarter round along the back and side to make a track for the LED lighting. After a few coats of paint, I mounted 2 wooden shelf brackets that I found at Home Depot, along with a 1 by 1 strip of wood to attach the floating end of the desk to the wall. To install the desktop, I simply placed it on top of the Ikea drawer unit and screwed it into place, hiding the screws within the LED track. Then I attached the floating portion to the wall and installed the LED lighting. Once I knew where everything was going to sit on the desk, I drilled a couple holes and installed some cable raceways under the desk for the wiring. I just happened to find the chair on Amazon, and so far I really like it a lot. I opted to remove the wheels as I kept accidentally rolling backwards off the slide. It also gave me the extra room I needed for the keyboard tray. I've placed links in the description below for the products and tools that I've used during this project. Our next video is going to be on how I made this awesome piece of furniture. So, stay tuned.